Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Gary's Rides, and I'm Gary. Let's go see how launch control works in the C8 Corvette. Hey guys, and while I'm heading to this site to perform these launches in the C8 Corvette, don't forget to hit that like button, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell notifications so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And also comment. All right, I'll see y'all when we get there. We're here at my spot. Let's do this. First thing you have to do is you take your mode selector and you put it in track mode. Make sure the vehicle's in drive, and then we're gonna hit the traction control button twice, and it comes up ESC competitive mode. And from there, all you do is put one foot on the brake all the way to the floor, and the other foot on the gas pedal all the way to the floor. And then once you're ready, you just take your foot off the brake, keep mashing your foot on the gas, and the vehicle will just take off. All right, so let's do this. Ready? One foot on the brake, one foot on the gas, and I'm doing this with one hand. Slow down. Nice. That was freaking awesome. And you forget how quick this thing takes off. All right, we're gonna do another one going the other way. This thing just hooks up and you're gone. Okay. Make sure the steering wheel is straight. We're gonna do it again. Let me set the timer. Let's see here. Timer, there we go. All right, 0 to 60, here we go. One foot on the brake, one foot on the gas, all the way to the floor. Let off the brake. And then you hit the brake. Look at that, 0 to 60 in 3.2. But this car takes off so fast, it's incredible. It is incredible, insane. Wow. Insane the way this car hooks up. Now we got wheel slippage. Definitely. We got some wheel slippage. But I'm pretty sure if we could get the tires warmed up even more, it would hook up better and we'll get a lower time. But as you can see, we got 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds. Not bad. Not bad. Wow. That is so addicting. You want to just do it over and over again. Okay. I'll do it one more time. One more time. Uh-oh. We got a KA band, guys. KA band. In the area. He's in the area. All right, so we'll do it one more time. Right there. Left foot on the brake, all the way to the floor. Right foot, all the way to the floor, and let off. Woo! Man, that's crazy. Boy, that's crazy. Oh my gosh. That is insane. Man, I gotta do it one more time. You know why? Because I forgot to set the counter. Okay, we're going to do it one more time. We got to do it one more time. One more time. Oh my gosh. That is so brutal. Okay, one more time. One more time, guys. Oh my goodness. I freaking love it. Okay. Take a deep breath. Whew. All right. One more time. Make sure I set that counter. Here we go. The last time. Last time. All right. Here we go. Here we go. The last time. All right. Come to a complete stop. Steering wheel straight. Reset the counter. There we go. 1 foot on the brake. 1 foot on the gas. All the way to the floor. Let off the brake. Woo! All right, that's it. 3.1. 0 to 60 in 3.1. That's what she clocked. Woo! That is so fun. All right. That is it, guys. That is it. And then so let's check our temps real quick. So the oil temp right there is 201. So it's good. And the coolant temp is 205. So it's good. Everything is good. No issues at all. No issues at all. And the car will keep doing it over and over and over again. You know, I wouldn't abuse it now. I just wouldn't keep going and going and going and just saying forget it and just abuse the car, you know, launching it and launching it and launching it. I wouldn't keep doing that. But you can launch it a few times and you'll be just fine. The car, you know, it'll do it. They've engineered the heck out of this car. They know what they're doing, so they put a launch mode on it so you can launch it if you want to. But I like, you know, what I like the most about it is the ease of setting it up and putting it into launch control. It's so cool. It is so cool. I like that. That was freaking cool. I mean, it's just crazy. I love this car. And that's just one aspect of the fun in this car. I mean, I haven't even taken it to the track or hit some curves or whatever. I mean, this thing is insane. It is just insane. Insane. Crazy. We got to do that again one day. We have to do that again one day, guys. All right. Well, that is it. Don't forget, if you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and please leave comments. Leave comments, guys. I love to read the comments, and I love to reply to the comments too. All right. So that's it for the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.